hopping down the body because it was a little bit down. Hey everyone, it's TJM Reviews here with my 20. Hey everyone, it's TJM Reviews here with the 2014 Freebirds DVD previews.
Well, this year's off to a great start. Oh.
We're not people, we're birds. We have to get out into the wild and be birds, Blue. Let the kids connect to their roots.
Hey, wait a
It's
second.
gonna be so much fun.
Yeah! Woo-hoo! We're going to the Amazon!
Hey Google, when did Here Comes Peter Cottontail came out?
The release date of Here Comes Peter Cottontail was April 4th, 1971.
Be afraid. Be very afraid.
Whoa, buddy. Put the spork down.
Did you call me a monster?
Not the only one.
Did you call me a monster?
That will ruffle some feathers. Who are you? Where did you come from?
Hey, back off.
Daddy?
Look at me, I'm a grandpa.
Nice to meet you, sir.
You will call me Pop.
Kids, go easy on old Papa.
You can call me sir. From the creators of Ice Age. Come on, let's rock this jungle. It's popping in the Amazon. Pop. You know what pop is backwards? Pop. Ooh. Walk it off, buddy.
Keep celebrating. I'll be pooping on your party promptly. It only works when I do it.
Okay. Love ya.
Rio 2. Now that's a duet.
Oh my gosh.
For Mr. Peabody, the only thing harder than being the world's most extraordinary dog
Is the president coming to dinner again?
You'll see. The Petersons. Welcome to our happy home.
is being an ordinary dad.
She hates me.
Share your interests. Tell a witty anecdote. Make it work. Don't tell her about the way back.
He calls it the way back. It's a time machine. Now that we've seen it, maybe we should go back. Nope.
Sherman, Penny, why are you two dressed like ancient Greeks?
I lost her in ancient Egypt. And I got engaged to King Tut. Then we ran out of gas. Nature Troy.
You used the way back.
Yeah. She was into it.
Oh my.
Now,
Oh dear.
he's taking family time
You've used time travel improperly.
to another dimension.
We must rewrite history in order to save the universe.
Leave her alone!
Boy, your hand's cold, Mr. Peabody.
Sherman, that's not my hand.
Ah!
That's disarming.
Heroes of Greece. Someone left this for us. A present. Nice. It looks just like our horse.
Ray Romano.
It'd be rude not to.
Peabody here.
Doesn't matter.
I did not see that coming.
His march.
How do you take
I
off?
am-
You just pull down that lever. This one. Oh boy.
The most amazing dog of all time is leaving his mark on history.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Mona Lisa.
I'm halfway done with the painting. She won't even smile. Perhaps I can be of assistance. Oh! Is everyone amused? It seems we've ripped a hole in the space-time continuum.
Drop the saber and step away from the futuristic orb.
I'll take off the hands from Newman.
Take it easy, bro.
DreamWorks, Mr. Peabody and Sherman.
Why can't children be simple?
Children are not the machines, Peabody. I tried to build one. It was creepy.
In into 3D.
And DVD menu. Leave him. Leave. Thanks, honey. No, ma'am. Leave her alone. She's my friend. I really love this movie. I really love this movie. My favorite characters are Jenny, played by Amy Poehler, and Reggie, voiced by Owen Wilson. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.